In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type the Naira sign in Microsoft Word. If you need to type the Nigerian Naira sign in Microsoft Word, you can use a simple keyboard shortcut with the numeric keypad. The Naira sign is written as use, and this method allows you to enter the symbol directly into your document without having to search through the symbol menu. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to type the Naira sign. Place your cursor in the exact location where you want the symbol to appear. This could be in a sentence, a price, a table, an invoice, or any other part of your document. Before using the keyboard shortcut, make sure that numlock is turned on. This is important because the shortcut uses the numeric keypad to enter a specific number sequence. If numlock is turned off, the numeric keys may not work as expected. Once your cursor is in the correct position and numlock is enabled, locate the Alt key on your keyboard. Press and hold the Alt key. While continuing to hold down the Alt key, use the numeric keypad to type 8358. Make sure you enter all four numbers using the numeric keypad while the Alt key remains pressed. After typing 8358, release the Alt key. Microsoft Word should then display the Naira sign, which looks like this. Kwa. This shortcut is useful when you frequently work with Nigerian currency in Microsoft Word. Instead of searching for the symbol each time, you can use the same keyboard combination whenever you need to enter the Naira sign. If the symbol does not appear after you release the Alt key, check that numlock is enabled and make sure you are entering the numbers using the numeric keypad. Also, remember to keep the Alt key held down until all four numbers have been entered. Once the Naira sign appears, you can continue typing the amount immediately after it. For example, you can type the Naira sign followed by the amount you need in your document. You can also use the same shortcut again whenever another Naira sign is needed. So, the keyboard shortcut to remember is Alt plus 8358 using the numeric keypad. Hold Alt, enter 8358, and then release Alt to insert the Naira sign into Microsoft Word. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,